Ram Kadam, I want to come to you first. You've come out and taken a public position on the issue of Raj Kundra and the kind of films that he was making. You're also alleging that this is a political racket, or it has political connections. What specifically are your charges, and what is the evidence that you have to back them?
Rahul, you must have seen my press conference this morning. Basically, this is a very big gaming scam, which would be goes up to tune of 2,500 crore to 3,000 crore rupees maybe. Basically, Raj Kundra formed one company, it called Vian Industries Limited, where he is a director. He has taken money from those who are from middle class families. He assured them that he will give them franchisee distributorship of that gaming, whatever the app it is. It's called GOD, Game Online Dot, where he used his wife's picture for the publicity. Shilpa Shetty is also there on his publicity posters everywhere. Now the thing is, when he promised those middle class boys that this platform is 100% legal, he has obtained all legal permissions and there is absolutely no problem to go ahead with this business. After that, when those middle class boys have started their business, he promised them that they will get a prize, and he categorically mentioned that this game, online game, is related to somewhere the KBC program where the people get prize. He said this is the same game where you people will get the prize. After a few days down the line, those people have realized that Mr. Kundra had cheated them. They have been cheated by him. And after that, they started asking him their money return. He did not give their money return. In fact, when they tried to enter in his office for demanding their own money, they were trashed by his staff. They were abused, and in fact, बहुत बुरी तरीके से के साथ उनके साथ बर्ताव करके उन्हीं के खिलाफ अलग अलग धाराओं के तहत राज कुंद्रा एंड हिज एसोसिएट्स ने केस की. One way Raj Kundra has given them on the paper that his company has obtained all the necessary permissions for the government of India. And the other hand, when the winning of that gaming plan, when they realize that all the distributors, that this is a completely illegal activity where they were completely, they have been cheated by him. तो उन्हें उनके पैसे भी नहीं देने हैं. जो विनर है, विनर की जगह पे ये अपने खुद के स्टाफ का विनिंग वो भी नाम के लिए दिखा रहा है. ये दोनों तरफ से उनके साथ चीटिंग हुई है. आज प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के दौरान मैंने सारे पुख्ता कागजात देश और सारे पत्रकारों के सामने रखे. जिन लोगों के साथ चीटिंग है वे लोग साथ में थे. ये पहली बात. केवल मुंबई और महाराष्ट्र में नहीं हुआ राहुल, केवल 10 सेकंड. दिस इज हैपेंड नॉट ओनली इन मुंबई और महाराष्ट्र. स्टिल this is going on throughout the country, and lakhs, no, crores of people are involved in this. So this scam would be more than 2,500 to 3,000 crore rupees. This is one thing. Second thing, on 14th April in Juhu police station, one of the big famous film actress launched complaint against Raj Kundra. She said that he tried to rape her. And there are several IPC धारा उसने कही कि ये उनको लगानी चाहिए. रातों रात राहुल जी ऐसी कौन सी बात हुई कि देश की एक नामी एक्ट्रेस ने 14 अप्रैल को पुलिस स्टेशन थाने में शिकायत दर्ज कराई. रातों रात उसको किसने दबाव डाला? Why she has been compelled to withdraw that? Who are trying to protect Mr. Kundra? These are the questions I raised in today's press conference. I personally, I've spoken to the police officer. They also accepted the same, that the lady has filed a complaint, but after that,
so you've given us a lot to process.